Hey everyone, so today I wanted to do a natural hairstyle video, and basically I wanted to make it look like my hair, but better. So this is what my hair looks like once it's towel dried. I just took a shower like an hour ago, and this is what it looks like now. You can tell it's very big and kind of unruly, so again, I just want to make my hair just look like it does, but better. So the first thing I've grabbed is this hair serum, and this is from Brilliance, New York, and this is the Essential Hydration Argan Oil Serum. This has really just added shine to my hair. It's also tamed frizziness, and I also just really love the scent. I love hair products that just have a light, nice scent to them, so I love using this on wet and dry hair. But the next thing I'm going to do is grab my elastic band, and this is helpful because I'm growing my bangs out, and this is like a go-to style if I just don't want to mess with my hair too much. So I'm only going to grab a few sections of my hair, but first I'm going to put on this protective glove because that is an essential. I have burned my fingers too many times, and I love this glove. And what I'm going to use to curl my hair is the Brilliance New York's Diamond Curling Wand. And this is a 1-inch curling wand, and I really like this size because it just fits so well with my natural hair. The curls aren't too tight, but they're just big enough for my hair length. And this video has been kindly sponsored by Brilliance New York, so thank you so much. And what I'm doing now is just grabbing random sections of my hair, and I'm going to wrap the hair away from my face. And I like taking just a few sections because, again, I want this to look very much like just my own hairstyle, but just a little better and a little bit more tame. But the other item that I have from Brilliance New York is this amazing flat iron, and I really like this design and packaging. I just think this is really cute and well done. But this flat iron is amazing, and this actually all came in a hair bundle, so definitely check out the description bar for more. I'll put a direct link. It'll be the first one that you see. But on days that I want to straighten my hair, what I like to do first is just brush out my hair, and then I like to work in sections. So I like to start at the bottom and work my way up. So I'll just focus on first sectioning off my hair and just getting it up out of my way. So I like to do these little buns or style my hair in these tiny little buns as I work my way up. But I find that this works best, just starting at the bottom, working my way up, brushing out the sections first, and then running the flat iron through my hair. And again, you guys can probably tell my hair is very big, and sometimes when I go to bed with wet hair and I don't do anything to it after I take a shower, it is very big and frizzy. But it is nice to style my hair straight and just be able to use some dry shampoo and go for a few days with straight hair. But I wanted to show you guys the difference between the smooth, sleek, straight side and also my hair when it's big and wavy and has some curls. But anyway, going back to my natural hairstyle tutorial. But I'm just moving around my head on the outer layers because I don't want to do too much curling, but I just want enough to not have any frizziness going on and just for my hair to look a little bit tamer. And before I've actually used a diffuser on my hair, but I don't like the way it looks as much as when my hair is just naturally dry. So I like to maybe take a shower in the morning or after a workout, and I will just wash my hair and let it naturally dry while I do other things around the house. And then later on, before I go out, I'll just grab my curling iron, let it heat up for a few minutes, and do this. It's very quick and easy, and that's what I love about it, is it looks like me, because I mean, this is my natural hair, but it's like a no-fuss hairstyle. It also kind of looks like I put more effort into it, but I didn't. So again, I really love this hairstyle. It's just very quick, other than the part where I have to wait for my hair to naturally dry, but it doesn't take my hair too long to dry. But let me know what you guys think. The last few things that I've done with this hairstyle is just grab some hairspray just to let it hold a little bit more or make it hold a little bit better. And I'm also grabbing the hair serum from earlier because I just love finishing a hairstyle with that serum. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!